How ChatGPT works. ChatGPT. Complete a task with just 4 simple steps. Here I will show you and explain you how it works. Step 1. You have to type a question. In this step, we write something in the ChatGPT. For example, we write, "How do I start a YouTube channel?" So how do I start a YouTube channel? This is your question. And this question, we call it prompt. Step 2. ChatGPT reads and understands your words. After ChatGPT getting prompts from the user, then ChatGPT breaks your question down into smaller parts, and ChatGPT try to understand your question. It's like ChatGPT saying, "Okay, this person wants to know how to start a YouTube channel." Step 3. It predicts the best answer. ChatGPT has no memory, but how it predicts our answer in best way? Now, here's the mind-blowing fact. We already know that ChatGPT has world collection of data. So from this data, he easily can predict what we are looking for and which answer will be best for us. Step 4. You get a well-formatted response. As ChatGPT already understand what you're looking for, so ChatGPT provide your answer in best possible way. Fun fact, we thought ChatGPT is genius, but now we came to know ChatGPT is fortune teller.